Well, hi there. This is Kelly Bliss with Rocket Rehab. Just some information for rehab after total knee replacement. Um, when I had my knee replaced, I found that these rocking motions were highly, highly effective. So let me talk about what do we need after a knee replacement. One of the things you need is shoes you can put on your feet that are easy to get on and off. These are as easy as socks to take on and off. They're just swim shoes. They basically are socks with a rubber sole so that they're very, very safe. I don't trip on anything. I don't have to lace anything up. The tools for my rocket rehab, of course, you've already got your walker. So let me talk first about, uh-oh, there's Millie the cat. I don't think she'll be in our way for long. Let me talk first about walking. Nah, maybe I will move Millie. Okay, here we are. So when I'm in rehab, there's a whole room full of people, and everybody's walking in a circle. And hurting, and they do as much as they can stand. Well, I have another concept to toss out to you. It's called rocket walking, rocket rehab. And this is what it is. You rock and then step. You rock and then step. You rock and then step. Let me tell you why it's so good. As you do the rock and then you put your weight on it, it allows your muscles, ligaments, and tendons to be, let's go walking, rock, to be ready to receive your weight. It's like they practice, then they stand. Practice, then you stand on it. This helps. And I highly recommend, uh-oh, I went out of frame. I highly recommend music. Do your rocket rehab to music, and it's not only enjoyable, but effective. Let me talk to you a moment about the stance. Every time you step forward, I want you to look at my back leg. My When my heel is down, even if it doesn't straighten, when my heel is down, my calf is stretching, my plantar fascia is stretching, and that's why the rock is so nice. It gives all those things time to stretch. So what do you need after knee replacement to be able to walk? Rocket rehab is for walking. You need to be able to straighten your leg. I'm going to talk about two ways to straighten your leg. I want you to pretend this is your kitchen counter. Do you know yoga at all? You don't have to. But if you know yoga at all, I want you to think of I'm going to show you the real down dog, although mine is highly customized. In the down dog position, you know what? I have a shoulder issue. I can't do it today. Darn it. In the down dog position, what you want to do is, here you are at your kitchen counter. This is a standing down dog. You'll step back until you feel some weight on your hands, as much as your body allows. Now you want to think about the line from your hand, stick your butt out, stick your butt out. From your hand to your tailbone is a straight line. That's it. Now look at my legs. I'm going to come in a little for a little more comfort. My legs are both unlocked. I'm going to let one leg go a little more straight and the other leg go a little more straight. It might not go straight at all. Maybe they both stay very bent. That's okay. I'm intending more straight, flat back, chest down, shoulder stretch, hamstring stretch, but most of all, knee ligaments are getting a chance to straighten. to straighten. So here is your kitchen counter down dog, where you take your dog for a walk. That's number one straightening exercise. So you had walking, you have straightening. I'm going to show you bending before I show you number two, straightening. You will choose a chair, any chair. You'll sit forward in your rocker. Any place where you sit and move forward, forward to the edge of your seat. And the reason for this is, let's say your leg only bends this far. It's not quite 90 degrees. That's just where you're at. That's fine. I'm going to turn my chair to the side so I can give you the side view. All right. Here, so my leg's only bent, my repaired leg. I don't call it my good leg and my bad leg. I say my new knee and my old knee, or my repaired knee and my own knee. Positive comments about the body help with the psyche to feel good about your body. So here I am sitting up tall. Pelvic tilt, sternum lift, shoulders tall. See that nice straight back? I want that everywhere I can have it. And here I am sitting at the edge of my seat, and my leg will only bend that far. Here's the rock at rehab. I just rock. I'm rocking my pelvis. See how it bends a little more and goes back to where it was, bends a little more and goes back to where it was. This movement allows the body to warm up to the bend, allows the body to know that it does not have to protect against pain. The body tightens up against pain. No, no, no. I like Motown. I got Motown playing and I'm just rocking. I'm not doing anything horrible, but now I'm going to intend to rock as much as I can till I find, oh, that's it. That's the most bend I could do today. Breathing, breathing. And I will hold the most bend I can do today for a little bit, for a few verses of the song. And then I will try to do a little more. And I'll rock into it. Could I hold that? And then I'll try to do a little more. Could I do that? I don't know. But I'm going to just rock and play. So you've got rocket walking, you've got rocket bending, you've got walk it down dog. Here's the last one. It's another straightening move. When you think about where you are sleeping, I am madly in love. This is just from Amazon. I'll put a link for it below. I believe it's an 8-inch wedge. And I'll tell you what is so good about my 8-inch wedge. Even I had a recliner is what I rehabbed in. And I put a smaller wedge, but a wedge right on the foot of my recliner, and I strapped it on. So every time my recliner went back, I still had my wedge. And I want to show you, oh shoot, I've got everything on the wrong side. Oh, it'll be fine. I want to show you what's so good about, I changed my mind. Thank you. I can still get that. What's so good about the wedge? It gives you an opportunity. Here we are. I could have used my other knee, but this is the knee I had replaced, and my brain can't do this with any other knee right now. I'm just not that smart. So here I am, chilling up in my bed or on my recliner, and I have this wedge here. I want you to look at my bent knee. Of course, I could be putting a whole bunch of pillows under my knee anytime I want, and I will regularly. But here's what else I will do regularly. I will let that leg, can you see how the heel of this foot is on the wedge, and it makes my knee go as straight as it can. Now, I'll tell you in all honesty, not in the beginning. In the beginning, I just let the weight of my leg Let the leg go as straight as it can. If you can sleep in this position, please do. Hold this position as often as you can in your life. And then anytime you need to, you get a pillow and you put the pillow back under your knee. Nobody said you need to be miserable. You just want that leg straight as often as you can. That's it. Leg straight, leg bent, you're able to walk with these 4 exercises. Remember, rock it when you sit, rock it when you walk. Take a kitchen counter down dog and walk that dog and rest with your foot up and your leg straight. But there's one more thing I want to tell you about. It's the 4 steps you rinse and repeat. I recommend this is the way to live your life right after knee replacement. Of course, you eat and socialize when you can with family, friends, whatever. After you eat and socialize, then you do your rocket rehab. How much do? You listen to your body and you do what your body can. And your body will always do a little more. So it's eat and socialize, rocket rehab, then what? Then rest. Get right back in your recliner, your bed, wherever you're resting. Then rest. Oh, you're going to get hungry. Get up and socialize and eat. Rocket rehab. Take a rest. Rinse and repeat. When you live life with these 3 steps, your body will heal. You will have nutrition. You will have company. You will have lengthened ligaments and tendons where you need them and strengthened muscles where you need them. And I hope you have fun. I'm not kidding. Fun with your rocket rehab. That's all she wrote. All righty. I don't, somewhere there's a way to push a button and turn off the recording. I don't know what that is. So I have to turn it off this way. Bye. Wait, my phone number's down below if you want to do any coaching or anything. All righty. Bye.